Yeah, hi everyone. Good morning. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Yeah.
So in today's class, we are going to discuss about ITSM and incident. Okay. Next coming days, we are going to discuss about completely theory part. Okay. Maybe next 4 classes. I hope. I'm just sharing my screen. Is my screen visible?
Yes.
No. So ITSM stands for Information Technology Service Management. ITSM will follow the ITIL guidelines. ITIL stands for Information Technology Infrastructure Library. Okay. ITSM refers to all managerial aspects of businesses, including models of IT planning, support, delivery, security, and infrastructure. Okay. ITSM refers to all managerial aspects of businesses, including models of IT planning, support, delivery, security, and infrastructure. So basically, ITSM has taken from ITIL. ITL means Information Technology Infrastructure Library. So basically, for all types of industries, it may be IT, it may be oil, petrochemical, gases, textiles, beverages, electrical, based upon the all industries worldwide. So the organization has developed the ITIL guidelines. Okay. ITIL guidelines. So it's like as ISO standards. It's like ISO standards. We have different ISO standards, right? Like that for every industry, like for based upon all industries in the worldwide. So we have developed information technology infrastructure library. It contains the guidelines to all types of industries. Okay. And ServiceNow company has taken ITSM from the ITIL guidelines. ServiceNow company has taken ITSM from the ITIL guidelines. Okay. If we go to the ITL syllabus or ITL content, what are the concepts we are going to discuss within the ITSM, everything available in the ITIL. Okay, got it, everyone? Yes.
Yes.
Oh, you can see what is the definition of ITSM? ITSM refers to all managerial aspects of the businesses, including models of IT planning, support, delivery, security, and infrastructure. Okay. So basically, within the IT, whatever the industry it is, within the IT, okay, we will use the ITSM module. We will use the ITSM module. Okay, like to manage the business, to manage the business, okay, within the IT industry of that particular IT of that particular industry. Like it will manage the planning, support, delivery, security, and infrastructure. ITSM refers to all managerial aspects of businesses, including models of IT planning, support, delivery, security, and infrastructure. Okay. So whatever the definitions I have written in the document, it may be for ITSM definition, incident definition, problem definition, all definitions I have taken from the ITIL. Okay. So these definitions, in the interviews, these definitions we have to tell as it is. There is no change in the definition. Okay. We have to tell as it is. You can see the ITSM structure. What are the modules involving in the, what are the applications, what are the components involving in the ITSM? So you can see incident management, problem management, change management, knowledge management, configuration management, service catalog and request fulfillment. Okay. These are the different applications or modules involving within the ITSM. Incident management, problem management, change management, knowledge management, configuration management, service catalog, and request fulfillment. Okay, these are the different applications or modules involving in the ITSM. So basically, within the organization, customers or users have facing any issue. Okay, if they want to request something from the organization, they will call to the customer care. They will call to the customer care. Customer care means service desk. Okay. So when we mail to the organization, that first point of contact is service desk people. Okay. Service desk people listen to our requirements or our issues. So based upon the conversation we had with service desk people, they will decide to they will decide whether we have to create an incident or problem or change or knowledge or configuration management. Okay, based upon our conversation, they will create the record. Okay, and we can also create incident, problem, change, configuration management, knowledge article, service request. You can able to create all these things up by own without contacting service desk people also. Okay, like this. These are the different applications or modules in the ITS. So you can scroll down. Who are the persons involving in the ITS? You can see end user, agent or fulfiller, process manager, process owner, service owner. These are the persons involving in the ITSM. You can see end user uses Servicenow to make a request, view status of the request, and access the knowledge base. Okay. The, who is end user? Who is end user? Everybody in the organization called as end user. Everybody in the organization called as end user. Who is going to create a incident record or who is going to submit a request? That person we are calling as end user. Okay, that person we are calling as end user. So for example, I got some issue. Okay. Uh, for example, recently I was taken new connection from Act Fibernet with 100 Mbps speed. Like when I observe that, when I observe that speed, it's not up to the mark. Okay. Yes, here I have issue. So I have raised a request within the Act Fibernet portal. I am the end user. I am the end user. Okay. And I'm able to track, I'm able to track my request. And I'm able to see the knowledge articles within the portal. For example. Okay. And next one is agent or fulfiller. Uses ITSM applications to create and resolve tasks and provide support to the end users. So you can see, whenever I have raised a ticket, yesterday somebody came to my home and they have verified a Wi-Fi connection and the router signals and all. Okay. We can say he is an agent or fulfiller. Whenever we are having some issue, okay, if somebody is supporting within the organization, if somebody planning to resolve our issue within the organization, that person we are calling as agent or fulfiller. Or if we submit a request, for example, I was joined in some organization, I want new laptop. Okay. So I have submitted a request. Somebody delivered the laptop to my house. Okay. That whoever involved in the process of delivering laptop to my house, those all are called as agent or fulfillers. Agent or fulfillers. Okay. I'm taking another example as well. Yes, for example, I newly joined in the organization. Okay. Somebody provided credentials of service now. Okay, somebody provided credentials of service now. Okay. But I'm not able to log in into the system. I'm not able to log in into the ServiceNow instances. Okay. Immediately I have raised an incident. I'm the end user here, and that ticket was assigned to ServiceNow support team members. Here, ServiceNow support team members also we can consider agent or fulfiller. Everybody got it. What is end user? What is agent or fulfiller? Any queries for these two persons? Okay. Persons are not an important for the interview, but you have to know the functionality. You have to know the roles and responsibilities of each person. Okay. Any queries here? Let me know. Funny, Prithvi, Anthony.
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
Good.
Next. Okay. Next. Process manager. He is responsible for operational management of the process. Process owner. Responsible for the definition and health of the process. Service owner. Responsible for managing one or more services throughout their life cycle. Okay. Can there be more than one agent? Yeah, definitely. We have more than one agent. Okay. So each agent is allocated to some issue or some ticket. Okay. So for example, if we have 10 agents available within the organization, yes, we will assign those agents to the 10 issues or 10 requests. Okay. Based upon the situation, we will allocate. And we will also do the automation, like for example we are 10 members now, okay, within this meeting. Okay. Like I already working on some tickets. Okay, multiple requests got raised. Okay, whoever having the bandwidth, okay, it will automatically assign tickets to those persons. We can do this kind of setup as well here. Okay, you can see, like basically within the organizations, process manager, process owner, service owner will be only one person technically. Okay, and they will take care of overall life cycle of the ITSM process. ITSM process. Okay, these are the persons, and it's not an important for interview, but you have to know the procedure. Okay, what are the roles involving in the ITSM? ITIM. ITIL admin, incident underscore manager, change underscore manager, knowledge admin, knowledge manager, catalog, catalog admin, catalog editor, catalog manager, ECMDB underscore admin. And along with these roles, we have multiple roles included in recent versions. Okay. We may discuss all these roles while working with the roles concept. From these roles, very, very important is ITIL. We can make 5 stars for this ITIL role. Okay. Like every day we will talk about ITIL role within the organization as a service, not developer. Okay. Like as I said, if somebody want if somebody want to work on any ticket or any request, okay, they must have the ITIL role. They must have the ITIL role. And ITIL admin, whom we can provide ITIL admin. So for example, if you are taking 10 members team, okay, all team members, all team members having the ITL role, team lead having the ITIL admin role. Okay, got it everyone? And we can see the definitions of ITL role. You can see ITIL role can perform standard actions for an ITIL help desk technician. This is the out-of-box technician role. Can open, update, close, incidents, problems, change, configuration management items. Out-of-box only users with the ITL role can have the task assigned to them. Okay. So if we are having the ITL role, we can create an incident, we can update an incident, we can close an incident. Like that, we can able to create, close, update the problem. We can able to create, close, update the request. Okay. This is the ITL role definition. And ITL admin processes more privileges than the ITL role. Okay, and is intended for the team leads. And is intended for the team leads. This role has the ability to delete incidents, problems, changes, and other related entities. Like whatever the things we can able to do by using the ITIL role, ITIL admin also able to do all these things. Okay, ITIL admin also able to do all these things. And one extra work he is able to do, that is deleting the delete process as well. Deleting incidents, problems, changes, and other related items. Okay. This is ITIL admin definition. ITIL admin role definition. Any queries in these definitions, ITL or ITL admin definitions? No, that would be okay.
No, Anji.
Okay. What are the modules involving in the ITSM process? Incident management, problem management, change management, knowledge management, service catalog and request fulfillment, configuration management, asset management. These are the different modules involving in the ITSM process. Okay. So, like I have mentioned, 3 YouTube video links: instant management, problem management, change management. Okay, you may watch all 3 videos from YouTube. Okay, so I'm just moving on to the first module called instant management. Okay, just closing the document. So you can see the incident definition. Incident is an unplanned interruption to the IT service or a reduction in quality of IT service or failure of CA that has not yet impacted on IT service. Okay. Incident is an unplanned interruption to the IT service or a reduction in quality of IT service or failure of a CI that has not yet impacted on IT service. You can see. Somebody read this definition loudly. Who is going to read? Very, very important concept, right? Incident management. Who is going to read this definition?
Yeah, I can
Yes.
read like,
Yeah. Yes,
yeah,
ma'am.
incident is an unplanned interruption to the IT service or reduction in quality of IT service or failure of a configuration item that has not yet impacted on IT services. And incident management is a process.
No, this
Mhm.
not required as of now. Okay. So you can see incident is an unplanned interruption to the IT service. Incident is an unplanned interruption to the IT service. So for example, yesterday I'm attending my daily stand-up call. Okay. Suddenly, I have power cut issue. We are calling it as an incident. Almost for half an hour, there is no power. Okay. Due to that, I'm not able to use the internet connectivity properly. So that we are calling as incident. Okay.
Okay.
So another example. Mm, for example, you have to deliver something today. You have to deliver something today. Like you have to deliver some project today. Okay. But all of a sudden, whatever the steps you have executed, those all are corrupted. Those all are corrupted. Okay. You are getting some, like you are getting different errors, which is like those errors you are not faced by developing a logic. Okay. We can say this is an incident. We can say this is an incident. And next. Yes, you are having bank account in some bank, maybe in HDFC bank. And today early morning, you have received one message. Almost 5,000 was debited from your account. This is an incident. Or if something is happens or something is broken, all of sudden, we are calling as incident. Got it, everyone? Yes, everybody got
Yes.
it.
Yes.
Incident is an
Yes, sir.
unplanned interruption to the IT service. All of sudden, there is no planning. Suddenly, we will get some issue. Because of that issue, like whatever we are planning for, whatever we are planning, okay, it would be disturbance. Okay, that we are calling as incident. And next, reduction in quality of IT service. Reduction in quality of IT service. For example, yeah, as I said recently, as I said, one example, right? For example, reduction in quality of IT service. Like in recent days, like I'm just explaining one real-time situation. Yeah, in recent days, like I have taken Act Fibernet. Okay. Like I have taken 100 Mbps speed, but I'm not getting that much speed. Like after installation, I'm not getting that much speed. Okay. It's coming around 30 Mbps like that. Yes, they have provided the services. That would be okay. But there is no quality in service. There is no quality in services. Okay. There is no quality in product. Got it? There is no quality in signal strength. We can consider that is an incident. We can consider that is an incident. Hmm, yes. Like as I said, within the bank account, all of today early morning, I have received, for example, today early morning, I have received some amount was debited from my account. Okay. Maybe 1 week back, this incident has happened. Okay. I have raised an incident. I have raised an incident. But the bank customer care people, whoever supporting that issue, they are not responding properly. They are not responding properly. You can say there is no quality of service. There is no quality of service. Okay. We can consider this is an incident. And next. Yes. I have submitted a I have submitted one request for additional monitor within the organization. Okay. The delivery of additional monitor is getting delayed. There is no quality in service. Okay. We can consider this is an incident. Okay. I have purchased one electric rice cooker. Yeah, maybe one electric rice cooker. Yes, for first 4 to 5 days, it's working good. After that, I have observed, like when we touch that rice cooker, it's good. It's getting some little bit kind of shock. There is no quality in the product. We can consider that is an incident. Is everybody understand what is reduction in quality of IT services? Any queries here?
No, we are good.
Okay, perfect. Next, failure of a CI that has not yet impacted on IT service. Failure of a CI that has not yet impacted on IT service. But suppose, like my team has to deliver project to the client today. My team has to deliver project to the client today. As I said, I have power cut issue. I have power cut issue. Okay. Almost for power cut issue, almost for 6 hours. You can consider this is an incident. Okay. This is an incident. But tell me, even if I'm having the issue, whatever the project we are going to deliver to the customer, okay, my team members also having right. Yeah, even if I'm not available, they are going to deliver to the customer that project. Okay. Here any interruption happen? Yes, I have issue, power cut issue. But in terms of delivery, anything, any issue here? No, there is no impact. There is no impact to the business. But still we are considering it as an incident. Got it? My intention here. Yes, we are having issue, but there is no interruption to the process service. Okay, there is no interruption to the service. Like it's on behalf of me, somebody going to deliver the project. Yes, this is also an incident. Even if service, even if it's the business is not, if the business is not affecting, even if you are having some issues, okay, that would be also calling as an incident. Okay. And next example, I have joined in one organization, for example. Okay. They have provided one laptop. Yes, maybe for first 10 days, that laptop works good. After that, I have I have received some motherboard issue within the laptop. Okay. Yes, definitely it is an incident. But any interruption to the service, any interruption to the business, any impact on the business, if my laptop is not working, no. Other team members will take care of whatever the work we have to perform. Okay. These are the few examples for failure of a CA that has not yet impacted on the IT services. If we are having the issue that may or may not impact the business, we are considering an incident. Okay. This is the incident definition, and we have different examples discussed. Like in interview, if somebody asks what is incident, you have to tell like incident is an unplanned interruption to the IT service, or reduction in the quality of IT service, or failure of a CA that has not yet impacted on IT service. For example, I'm trying to access webmail. Okay, so I'm not able to log into the webmail. Okay, that we can consider as an issue. So we have to raise an incident. We have to tell like this. So you have to tell definition. You have to tell one example as well. Okay, they will never ask, the interviewer never ask specifically, you can tell example, you can tell definition. No, they never ask. We have to tell. We have to tell. Along with the definition, we have to tell one example. Not only for incident, whatever they have asked in interviews, you have to tell examples as well. Okay. It's a very, very important concept incident. That's what I'm taking this much time for single definition. Okay. Next, incident management. Incident management. Incident management is process responsible for managing the life cycle of all incidents. The purpose of incident management is to restore the normal service operations as quickly as possible and minimize the impact on the business operations, thus ensure the agreed level of service quality is maintained. Agreed level of service quality is maintained. Okay. Incident management is process responsible for managing life cycle of all incidents. Okay. Like incident management will take care of overall incident management life cycle. Okay. The purpose of incident management is to restore the normal service operations as quickly as possible. Like whenever we are having some issue, whenever we are having some issue, we have to resolve that particular issue as soon as possible. If we are getting some issue, so we have to resolve that issue as soon as possible. Okay, there is no delay here. Okay. And so if we are getting some issue means, if we are getting some issue or some interruption means, definitely business having some impact. It may be financially, like whatever the way it is, business definitely having some impact. Okay. As we have to minimize the impact on the business operations. Okay. Like if we get some issue, if we have impact on the business, we have to minimize the impact as soon as possible. Okay. Thus ensure that agreed level of service quality is maintained. Okay. Like whenever we get some issue and whenever like we are like whenever we are minimizing the impact on the business, whatever the quality of service we are promised to the customer, we can able to deliver. Okay. This is incident management definition. Incident management is process responsible for managing life cycle of all incidents. The purpose of incident management is to restore the normal service operations as quickly as possible and minimize the impact on the business operations, thus ensure that agreed level of service quality is maintained. Okay. Incident table name is incident. Incident table was extending from the task table. Incident task table name is incident underscore task, and it is extended from the task table. Okay. And like what are the table names I have mentioned, you may understand properly while discussing about the tables concept. While discussing about tables concept. Okay. This is incident management definition. Like if you have any queries from incident or incident management, let me know. And this meeting is going to end in next 1 minute. So once meeting ended, please join again with the same meeting ID. But daily we have same procedure. If meeting ends, we have to join again. Any queries from incident or incident management? These definitions we have to